Mithali. Mithali sitting here. Mithali likes the new car, right, Mithi? Here we go. And Daddy driving. New car, right? Mithali?